Hello again and welcome to the Smoky Valley Library's STEM video. This week I will be talking about the fourth and fifth planet in our solar system, Mars and Jupiter. That's right, the red planet and the gas giant. Now Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It's also known as the red planet because of its red appearance. Mars has been visited many times by unmanned spacecraft. The first satellite, the Mariner 4, reached Mars in 1965. The Viking landers landed on the surface in 1976. And the Spirit and Opportunity surface rovers landed in 2004 to spend years exploring the terrain, gathering samples, and conducting experiments on the soil. Other than Earth, it has been identified as the most habitable planet for humans. There are also indications that Mars once had life. Now, Mars is a rocky, dusty, and dry planet with red soil because it contains iron oxide, also known as rust. The terrain varies with frozen polar caps that contain carbon dioxide on the South Pole and water and ice mixtures on the North Pole. Mars also has one of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, called Olympus Mons. Now, Olympus Mons is the largest volcano, the largest mountain in our entire solar system. It stands about 16.7 miles high. For comparison, the highest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest, is only 11.74 miles tall. Mars has two moons, Deimos and Phobos, named after the horses that pulled the chariot of the Greek god Ares. Now Mars, you wouldn't think has seasons, but it does. The summer temperatures barely reach above freezing, and the rest of the year remains very cold and frozen with dust storms. At the North Pole is evidence of seasonal coverings of carbon dioxide on top of the water. The poles also have alternating dust and ice. It is speculated that the layers may even be evidence of unobserved seasonal changes. Now, further evidence of more water on Mars is from the crater impacts that show outward marks that resemble the patterns of mud being hit. Now, for Jupiter, the gas giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, so big in fact that it is twice as large as all of the other planets combined. Jupiter has more than 60 moons. In 1610, Galileo found the four largest of the moons and named them Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. It is the belief of scientists that the outermost moons are actually asteroids captured by the gravity of Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium mixed with other trace elements. Now, all the gases in Jupiter cause the brilliant color bands on the planet. If a probe were sent through Jupiter, it would find no solid surfaces. As it traveled further through Jupiter, the gaseous materials would become denser. There would be no place to stand on Jupiter. It has so much atmospheric pressure that a person trying to visit there would be crushed and melted instantly. In fact, the Galileo probe sent to Jupiter in 1989 only lasted 59 minutes in Jupiter's atmosphere before it was crushed. Jupiter also has a simple ring system and a huge magnetic field. Jupiter has winds that can reach over 248 miles per hour. causing a swirling pattern of clouds that changed position quickly as little as a few hours. Now, like other planets, Jupiter has many distinguishing features, such as the giant red spot. Okay. The giant red spot is a complex storm rotating in a counterclockwise direction and is about the entire surface area of Earth. That is a huge storm. This red spot is made from phosphorus, which condenses about 5 miles above the surrounding clouds. Now, if you'd like to learn more, please head over to the NASA website where you can see amazing images of Jupiter and Mars. And you can also take a look at the Mars Curiosity rover and its most recent images of the last mission to Mars. Now, thank you for watching, and if you'd like to come for a full lesson and activity, please give us a call or an email to sign up. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out Miss Amy's Storytime and Spanish with Miss Marisol. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.